Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are driving over Spur Hill and we're going to give you an update on the laying of these water pipes that you see on the side of the road. The National Water Commission is laying pipes that are part of the Greater Mandeville Water Improvement Project. Basically, they are improving the flow of potable water from Mandeville to St. Elizabeth. Now, one of the major challenges that Jamaica faces is water delivery. Whether the pipes are old or the areas have outgrown the supply of water that gets there. So the government is spending billions of dollars to improve the delivery of potable water around the island. And between Mandeville and St. Elizabeth, or I should say Manchester and St. Elizabeth, they are laying pipes, and these are the pipes that they are laying, or this is the work that's happening on Spur Hill, laying of pipes. You can see on the left, the road has been dug up, and that's where the pipes are. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this. Spur Hill, a key route connecting St. Elizabeth to Manchester, is currently the focus of critical infrastructure upgrades as part of the Greater Mandeville Water Supply Improvement Project. Spearheaded by the National Water Commission, the project is set to transform water delivery across several parishes and bring long-awaited relief to many communities. The work involves the installation of a 24-inch ductile iron pipeline stretching from Pepper in St. Elizabeth through gutters and continuing up Spur Hill into Mandeville. This modern pipeline will replace aging infrastructure, some of which has been in place for over 50 years and is expected to significantly improve both the volume and reliability of the water supply in the region. At the heart of the project is a new well drilled in Pepper with the capacity to deliver 3 million gallons of water per day. This water will be pumped through the new pipeline system, supported by 5 new high-capacity pumps and a 200,000 gallon storage tank. These upgrades aim to ensure steady and sustainable water supply to thousands of homes and businesses across Manchester and parts of St. Elizabeth. The installation of pipes along Spur Hill is particularly challenging due to the steep terrain and high traffic volume. However, engineers are using reinforced trenching methods and pressure-rated valves to ensure the system can withstand both natural and operational demands. The project has already seen short-term disruptions in the area due to pipeline connections and maintenance work, but the long-term benefits are expected to outweigh the temporary inconvenience. In addition to improving daily water access, the project is also focused on reducing water loss through leakage, a major issue in older systems. The use of high-quality materials and modern water management techniques will help reduce pressure imbalances and improve the overall efficiency of water delivery. In summary, the pipeline project on Spur Hill is a critical part of Jamaica's water infrastructure overhaul. It demonstrates a strong commitment to modernizing public utilities and delivering reliable services to all citizens, especially those in high demand and historically underserved communities. Alright guys, that's the end of the update article. So let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.